Oh my god! Yeah, yeah, guys. This me, this Felix, enjoying the waters of Pirate Beach. They are so delicious, guys. If you come to the beach and don't eat viazi, you have not come to the beach. I have to taste the delicacies from the coastal region. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see right now, I'm at the beach. This is Pirates Beach, famously known as Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach. I'm here with Violet Kyle, and here she is. Right now it's low tide. Low tide means the water has gone away. It will come back. Yeah, yeah.
The water is coming around what time?
So right now it's around 2 p.m. So the water has gone to be coming in a few minutes from now. So guys, when it comes, I will be able to go to the beach and swim. I don't know how to swim very well, but I will try with the help of Violet Carlos. Are you a good swimmer?
Hey, no, not that much, but I will try.
Yeah, so it's all about trying. We hope that today we are going to have much fun. So guys, keep it here. Make sure you like, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about this video. Yeah, so windy today, so windy. The breeze, I'm feeling so nice, guys. I'm feeling so nice with Violet Carl here. By the way, Violet, you are so smart today. You are very smart. Come here, Violet. Come here. Don't show them so much. Guys, I'm with Violet Carl, and she's so beautiful today at the beach. So, are you going to swim? Are you going to swim?
Probably. I will go to swim. Maybe let me shoot. We are shooting first.
So she's saying that we shoot first, then we go to swim.
Yeah, after shooting, we're gonna have some fun inside the water because we can't come here and
So guys, let's first enjoy the views of the ocean. Then I will go to swim later. So keep it here, guys. Let me show you what other people are doing. Though at this moment they are very far because of the low tides. And where I'm standing, as you can see, it's very wet. And but the good thing is that I have these shoes, open shoes, that they are good in such an environment. Guys, imagine where I'm standing now. It's like 100 meters from the beach side, from the shore. Yeah, 100 meters from the shore. So imagine where I am right now. The views are so amazing, guys. You should be here very soon to enjoy such environment. For those who don't know where Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach is located, it's in Mombasa on your way to Malindi. So it's on the northern coast of Mombasa. Once you come to Mombasa, make sure you come to Pirate Beach or Jomo Kenyatta Beach and enjoy the views. So you can come here and just chill. Let me try to enter into the water. The water is so refreshing, so hot. The water is warm, very warm, and very salty. Very salty. Very salty. Very salty. And I'm just walking in the water. It's not cold, it's not hot. The water is very warm. Guys, let me show you. I can't go far because I have my phone, and this phone is not water resistant. You know, we have phones that we can enter with them in the water, but this one I cannot enter with it in the water. So I have to go back and change my clothes to swim with the violet car. These are seaweeds. These are seaweeds, guys. So when you come to the beach, don't say that this is that, this is not that. These are just weeds. And starfish eats these weeds. We have so many, like starfish, sea cucumber eats these seaweeds. Violet Girl is still shooting her video holding the coconut. She loves coconut very much. She enjoys. How many coconuts have you eaten today?
One.
Only one?
Yeah, maybe I'll buy later.
Okay. Yeah, she's recording a video, and
I've not seen any nature. This is my version.
sorry? You have not seen?
Crabs.
Okay. She says that she has not seen the starfish, the crabs,
Yeah.
the cucumbers, sea cucumbers.
Yeah, I have not seen any of those.
So to see such a sorry,
water
sorry guys,
animals.
to see such sea creatures,
Sea creatures.
you go to a place maybe inside, like in the marine reserve or marine park, where there is food. They are mostly found where there's food.
Oh, where
But
there's food.
but you see here it's just there's no food here.
There's sand.
Like
White sand.
corals. They feed on the corals. So mostly when you go to places where there's coral reefs,
Yeah.
you will find these creatures because they might be feeding. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here there's no corals.
No corals here. You see, guys, the sandy beach is very white sandy beach, very clean, and we love it here. People from many countries, they have come here to enjoy the beach, as you can see, guys. And Violet Girl,
Yeah.
is it your first time here or your second time out?
Hey, this is my many times. I've been to this beach, but this is my first time in 2025. Last year I was here, and this is my first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also
in
me,
2025,
it's my
I
first
came.
time in 2025 to come to Pirates Beach. So
My
guys,
first time in 2025.
enjoy the beach, enjoy the views. The sun is very hot. I cannot see very well on the screen. I think I need the sunglasses, but it is what it is, guys. Yeah, so let's go the other side so that we can change. So guys, I'm heading to the changing area. I'm holding this plastic bottle. These plastic bottles are not allowed in the beach, but I have it. It doesn't mean that I'll throw it away, but I'll keep it until I find a waste management area where I can put this plastic bottle. So guys, bear with me for holding this plastic bottle. So our aim is to live a sustainable life, because these bottles, once they go to the beach, the turtles, the sea sharks, marine life, they feed on these bottles, and they can tamper with their lifespan or their normal living. So guys, let's go change. Yeah, this is the changing area, and this is how it looks like with my friend Brian. How are you, Brian?
Fine.
Yeah, we want to change,
Welcome.
then we enter to the water. So this is the changing area. Yeah. So Violet, you start, huh?
Hey.
Violet. So guys, we are just from the swimming. This is my wear. Yeah. So it was an enjoying moment whereby we had some games in the water, and now we are out just strolling along the beach with Violet Carl, and the time now is 5:30 p.m. We came here very early, around 2 p.m. and as you can see, the water levels have gone up. When we were first here, it was low tides, but now it's high tides, meaning the water has come, and you can see the distance between the shore and the beach. The water level is just a few meters. Yes guys, so we are strolling around the beach. Yeah, let's walk. Come with us guys, let's go, let's go. At what time should you recommend someone to come to the beach?
The right time is just afternoon.
In the afternoon? Yeah, in the afternoon is the best time. Not in the morning.
Not in the morning.
Yeah, afternoon. Yeah.
Afternoon,
From 12.
When the sun is shining, you see now it's not much because it is now sunset.
So guys, now it's the time now is 5:35. So in the next like 25 minutes, you'll see the policemen coming to tell people to get out of the water because of security. You know, safety and security comes first. People are not allowed at the beach after 6 p.m. So once 6 p.m. clocks, the police, the guides, we have the community guards who will come and tell people to get out of the water and go back home. So guys, we have decided to get out of the water early enough so that we can also enjoy walking around and seeing how the views are. Guys, as you can see, this is the sunset. This is the sunset from Pirate Beach or Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach. The sunset is so amazing, so awesome, guys. We have some guys there playing football, as you can, but you cannot see well. I wish I could be able to zoom them so you can see, guys. The numbers of people here, there's not so many like during the holidays, because when you come here in Christmas season or April season during the Easter holidays, People are so many here. People are so many, but now we have only few. Only me and Violet Carl and a few others. Yes, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, guys. This me, this Felix, enjoying the waters of Pirates Beach. Why are you so happy?
I'm happy because today was a nice time coming to the beach. For the first time in 2025, the water was warm.
Yeah.
But when you go deep, it is cold.
Yeah, guys. From here, it's warm. But when you get to the deeper side, the water becomes very cold.
Very cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you love the coldness of the water?
This because
It's so.
you see, even more people are just onto that side because the water is so cold, and we have sunsets also. The sun.
The sun
is also there.
Yeah.
And so you just enjoy. People are just enjoying and having fun at the water, and that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, I love it here. So guys, now we are heading home. It's now 6 and people are getting out of the water. We are heading home. Here how guys are playing the pool. Sorry?
The view is
Very nice.
so let's go and buy
Something. Okay.
Foreros.
Foreros. Let's go. So guys, let me show you where we are. So it's written Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach, Mombasa County Government. So guys, that is it. So here we want to buy some viazi. You're buying viazi, right?
Yeah, I'm buying viazi.
So we are buying viazi. It's Irish potato fried.
So guys,
So yeah, there's also
I bought this one for 50 shilling, Kenyan shilling. So let's go back home.
I'm now enjoying the viazi bought by Violet Carl. Thank you so much for buying me viazis. They are so delicious, guys. If you come to the beach and don't eat viazi, you have not come to the beach. I have to taste the delicacies from the coastal region. That is the
It's very hot and the pepper.
yeah, it has pepper, guys. No. So guys, this is the viazis. They are fried and they put food color, is it? Food color and what else?
Only for the color.
Food color and
these are
tomatoes and salt, yeah.
wheat flour. You mix it with
Oh, they mix wheat flour and food color. Very delicious, guys. If you come here, you have to taste these delicacies. Very wow. Twende hivi ama hivi? Twende hivi.
Saba mwembe pili.
So guys, thank you so much for tuning in up to this end. I hope guys you have enjoyed the video. You know, it's not easy to gain that courage and shoot a video in the public, because without courage you cannot do it. So I've tried my best to gain the courage to shoot the video. I hope guys you like it. Make sure you like, comment and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, and see you in our next video. Bye bye guys.